Conversation using common phrases and idioms. Everyday communication phrases.
Can you look after my dog while I'm away?
Sure, I'll take care of him.
I don't know how to deal with this problem.
Let's figure it out together.
I need to catch up on my work this weekend.
Same here. I'm behind on a few tasks.
Can we put off the meeting until next week?
Sure, I'll reschedule it.
Let's wrap up this project by Friday.
Sounds good. I'll finalize my part soon.
Life-related idioms.
Why are you so happy today?
I just got a promotion. I'm on cloud 9.
Don't worry, things will get better soon.
I hope so. Every cloud has a silver lining, right?
He's really good at solving problems.
Yes, he's as cool as a cucumber in tough situations.
I don't trust him completely.
You're right. Let's take his words with a grain of salt.
How's the new project coming along?
It's a piece of cake. I'll finish it in no time.
Work and study idioms.
I feel so stressed with all these assignments.
Don't burn the midnight oil too often. Take a break.
The boss expects us to finish this today.
All right, let's pull out all the stops and get it done.
How did your presentation go?
I think I nailed it. Everyone seemed impressed.
Are you ready for the exam?
Not really. I need to hit the books tonight.
Why did she quit her job?
She said she was tired of the 9 to 5 grind.
Relationship and emotion idioms.
Why is she ignoring me?
Maybe she's just having a bad day. Don't take it personally.
They've been arguing a lot lately.
Yeah, they're not on the same page about their future plans.
You're always there for me. Thank you.
No problem. That's what friends are for. We're in the same boat.
How's your relationship with your manager?
It's a love-hate relationship, honestly.
I'm nervous about tomorrow's interview.
Don't worry. Just put your best foot forward.